The Scandinavian farmhouse kitchen style has a very calm and relaxing feel to it. Here are some kitchen ideas to help give you a great Scandinavian kitchen. Scandinavian kitchens are designed to meet the needs of daily use while providing a warm space. Open any design magazine and you'll likely see a Scandinavian-style kitchen splashed across the pages. Characterized by clean lines, light colors and natural textures, the design has gained popularity due to a less is more functionality rather than flashy bells and whistles. Bright, practical, and beautiful, Scandinavian kitchens are designed to meet the needs of daily use while providing a warm, comfortable gathering place for friends and family. During the 1930s, Nordic countries began to promote a minimalist kitchen style that favored simple living, comfort, and function over fancy, trendy features. Now, Scandinavian kitchen design is one of the most popular styles and a favorite of both professional and amateur designers alike. The look is light, bright, and airy, and mirrors the Nordic love of the outdoors by incorporating natural textures, plants, and rustic elements into the space. The focus on clutter-free practicality, simplicity, and function in a Scandinavian kitchen places an emphasis on the people in the space rather than the space itself.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.